Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. Today I am going to tell you about how to calculate the horsepower of a pump, what are the different kinds of heads in a pump, and how to calculate the electricity or the cost the of working of the pump. So let's begin. First of all, a horsepower is defined as Q times H upon 75 into pump efficiency. Now, Q is basically the discharge of the pump in meter cube per second. H is the total head of the pump, including all types of heads: frictional head, the suction head, the discharge head, and all other kinds of heads. Now, the pump efficiency is usually between 0.6 to 0.8, and the discharge is can be dependent upon the user requirements. Now, moving further, there are major and minor losses in a pump. The major losses are due to friction. The minor losses are due to bends and curves in a pipeline. Now, the frictional head loss is basically taken out by the help of a formula, which is basically HF is equals to HF is frictional head loss is equals to FLV square upon 2 times G into D. G is gravitational acceleration, and D is the diameter of the pipe, F is the frictional coefficient, L is the length of the pipeline, and D is the diameter of the pipe. Now, with the help of this, we can calculate the frictional head loss. We don't know the velocity yet, but velocity can be calculated by Q is equals to AV formula. A is the area, V is the velocity, we know the discharge, so we can calculate the velocity and put it in the formula, and we'll get the head loss. Now, 10% of this HF is taken as the minor loss. Now, in this, basically we add the suction head, the discharge head, and the static static head between point A and point B, wherever the motor has to be elevated. Now, by adding all these heads, then we put that into the horsepower formula. We'll get the value of a particular value of horsepower in kilowatts. Now, depending upon different rates in different areas of the country, we can get to know about the rate of this of the working of the pump in per hours. Usually it is 5.43 rupees. So we can multiply it by the horsepower, and we'll get the value of working of the pump in per hours. So basically this is how it is calculated. So thank you everyone for watching.